Hi everyone, this is PJ from iMail. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can collect email addresses from LinkedIn search results with iMail. Currently, this feature works on both standard LinkedIn search results and Sales Navigator search results. In today's demo, I'm going to use Sales Navigator. Sales Navigator has the advantage of having more filtering options to fine-tune your search results. This is important for two reasons. First of all, from a sales perspective, you want to narrow down to exactly your target group, and this can be geographically or based on a seniority level of the people you're targeting or on industry type. And Sales Navigator is just better in doing this when you compare it to the standard LinkedIn search. And secondly, and this is more of a technical reason, LinkedIn only allows you to look at the first 1,000 profiles of a search results. So only the first 1,000 results can be visited through LinkedIn. So therefore, it is clever to narrow down your search results to lower than having 1,000 profiles inside the result. So I prepared a basic search where I am looking into Belgium computer software companies, and I'm looking specifically in companies that have 1 to 10 people, and I'm looking for high-level profiles. So we're targeting CXO, so which is CEO, CSO, CMO, CFO profiles. And we see that we have 209 search results, which is lower than the 1,000 results limit. So we're good to go with this result. Next, we open the iMail Chrome extension here in the top corner of the Chrome browser. And you can verify that you're already logged in into the iMail platform if these two top buttons are grayed out. To collect search results from Sales Navigator, you click the Sales Navigator search button. Now the iMail extension is going through the results one by one. The progress is shown in a pop-up. If you're on a Mac, this pop-up will be on the top right corner of your screen. If you're on a Windows computer, this will be on the bottom right corner of your Chrome browser. You can close this pop-up, but we'll leave it open for now. The process will keep going in the background. Once it's done, it will give a new notification to tell you that your process is finished. We'll already head over to where the results will pop up. Once the lookup process is finished, all data will be pushed to a queue inside iMail. So at the moment we have 249 unprocessed contacts in our queue. Basically, the new lookup process will be added to this queue. There is no limit in queue size, so you can keep adding additional profiles to this queue by going back to the Chrome extension and do additional lookups. Eventually, you can decide whether to process the queue or whether to clear the queue. Processing the queue will result in email retrieving of the profiles you collected. Clearing the queue, on the other hand, can be done if you, for example, change your mind to find email addresses for a specific search result. The extension pop-up shows that the search result process is completed and that 209 LinkedIn profiles have been added to your iMail queue. We refresh the iMail job page to see the queue size. When we now press the process button, iMail starts matching email addresses on the selected LinkedIn profiles. Results are split into two files, found and not found. When an email address is found, the outcome is added to the found file. If not, it is obviously added to the not found file. And depending on your queue size, these found and not found files take between 10 to 60 seconds to get created, also depending on the load on our server. Just to give you an example of how these files look, I have looked at my own profile here. We have 9 columns of information depending if these are accessible from LinkedIn or if they are already in the iMail database. So that's how we look for email addresses on LinkedIn search results with iMail.